Menteri Katanat CNRD badi MLA Kamiliam haka sito dieng ula ong bokom unong mikmat katany ula thehshaid ya skim rap na ke benta katany Lawsohtun baro kawe kum taw lekun tu ya kinong shong shnong ba makiru kin thehshaid ya ke jingieid ya ia kani Bah Hamlet ula kren haka jingalang bu mau nong rim na ke benta artli ki project ba kot hadu point san poklor tengka Lawsohtun bakan thup ya ke jingshna ya ke surong na ka surok ba sya jasai block 5 bat kawaipan ka jingshna pan ba ya kinala haka block 2 block 5 bat block 6 haka nigasngi laidon lang ru chief engineer PWD GK marak EE orang ba shnong ba haribet renja na lor kiwe pan
shnong ba kadon skim na do banga job banga tang every skim ke bala sanction dia jaga kalong ba repusan lak she's person potenka nado arja ka praga kanai hado kat namta mane repusan lak she's person paula sanction namta every skim tang apo song Lawsohtun kabumut kejishna yaki surok yaki nala kejishna yaki school playground ke sitting gallery namta katika jaga thangbre hote po jaga sengkhasi ki solar still light bat ka jishnaru yaki atrium ke jishnaru namta ka dukan jom teki nohrem kel poi gumba repusan lak shispa sanpo tangka kable ka scheme ebli ke jonga kabala ai namta jopi ke stong Lawsohtun hi bro kabai di pisuto hi ke ka maliam kususi ke dai ka bahe mla panatan cibun dengan sko berhapi berdaya kalau ke bubun pa di abaga ga the sashat skim jopi di piru ke jingi the sashat changa mo tenang ta paderu nasukwa pa itu phing ni ba kedik industrium ke ba lamut panora ani mentang yap setang ya kesaksian bagi dia kepoi ke ba sipo krotam bangin sna ya ke industrium ade posong Lawsohtun tinggal skim tang ni si banwan inyo exsanction banyo ban khotno ya katanda nama kam kan senang no tinggal persam banora ki berkhoi ke industrium kelenti ke sengkit ke dijisna berkhoi kini ki dijisna development ki badai pateng la paket kamne ki development bai menta dono la shai kini ki gam ki banglap ka klom pateng la paket pinyo nama pi rong song jong Lawsohtun hi borok kowe tik jikar pa jonga togini terlang nam ta ke bega biang baram ta ka roi ka par jong Lawsohtun hi borok kowe di soai ba ngangan song dengan tiap lasai ski Lawsohtun Sports Club kanya football hapo badan puluh bat kepola steng mo di tiapan jigrap nanga tetang ke jingsang ngan ai kini san pojar tang ke jingsang mo ke nan mangirap kita tang jingsang jong ka jinga ke bok lasai ski pinile pinyo ke job tiga khot ya i president juga Lawsohtun Sports Club bersih dengan jinga ai jama Kebat kini gue kini kita bokong manta repusan lak sispa sempo ki MA scheme ki bala pentrai hani Lawsohtun ngakwa naik ka work order syakat dalbasnom bahkan bu iker kuat namta ka jiktip jong dalbasnom te ngatrai ka tu kalabiang kidang buan ki projek Lawsohtun ki banwan bat kajing keduru kanang don hi dia ketika ski pada ke bang ya kendu kumni kediski ke bakham kerpang baga kermau hakasin ke bagi yo bani kendo hani pasong jongpi dekat bani ba lur shai chalai blong ba shnong barem betar kat ne kapor baya kran chpang ka kam development apo aksam jongpi Lawsohtun di le kran chpang ya bade bat kasliti kasrok tasekien apo aksam Lawsohtun tiga kermau ngatrai kran kermau ru bahak tu kejing kedua ngalong ba ailat bangin pedap shwa ya ki skim ke barem na dia ki strok ki barem kitip gam bahama pi rong shtong baro kidon artli ki srok hangni ki balas kembali ke skim ke barem kita ke srok kembali sport jasai bat ke srok sport dong mau mulu kini ki srok hadir magang la job ki konduktor ki bantrai ban pendep tu srok kim shim bantrai shu bat ki shui la kum tu ti haba ki konduktor ki kum tu kim shim pendep ke chinge ke dei ke dok shnong ki bai ke du je nomor ba ka srok kam dep nakliang juga office iba karmodai iba litia pasupor ila jupin ka maur ka por ki konduktor ki ong subha pen dep no isrok namar ba ka kata ye dong shong shnong ni sosi ngam tiap mono bapa pete beki kim chum tre shban pendep ti haba kim pendep shu baki ngala shim milia ka jikli liang jonga ban lum parti officer zingi ba khamrai rong pe kiri kam te kam long man sule kumni mar ba tang shakhnong ke kam yak srok ba takta ba yaki tedag jing su jing borlang nila ya penbe ban ya ada di kontraktor ki ba thamai ba khisu thu ka skim ke berim ka dor ka SOR berim ba jing trei bang mata ka pher ba labak ting supnai kuplei ki kontraktor pedeng ka jing donong ke bagi trei la ka skam ke jing karpat jonga ba la pendem ke tai ka srok matai pom jasai baru ya ke kadang mamulu bang skim ke ka srok long jing rap nam ta ka jongki dia ba klik srok kiladep berarti ngalala pada ru bat penyo yang ki artli ki srok ibala yo sanction ha ka dor ba ar crore san pulang kawe ke de ka srok ke melech ti siang jong ikomira nang ti po min road bat bar pada ke de bat penba ya ka srok kinala jong ne ka dong block 25 bat 6 dikidi ki artli ki bala yo sanction ki ban sutraino belum manta ki poi kemba ar crore san pulang tengai scam kini ke jing persang jonga namta kabir kabiang jong asnong kalong kajimantoy nang jpi pai barang shnong bapinyo ya pinyak nanti babha baru bapinyo panya dergadoro kajingkit kajingpa bapi ulon kam kan pensuk sibut ya nang jpi kum kinong song shnong tiga skam ba kumlaw mane nakyang jong ba jike marak ba ka tendar bale kawdar le banai ba instang no anta harin lasam tayo kumba jong nak kapor man kisnong bangaleng but man ki manungrim ki bagang plie nasi ong ba ngapwa ba kin yang te ki manungrim plie manungrim manta tre realize nem tre den sauce nem kini manta ka por kum rishu ban lokong ta dia tak cuma man ki manungrim bagang plie manta tak ba lai sauce ki la tre yak jin tre but hani polostun ru kan lokong ta namala ngala bale kum ta kamon indu ye jing shishnya nang jong snong indu shishnya lang jong do bar snong tikum ta hak tayo banwan borok ki doktor kita traino ekam bagaimana juga office kita ai kalian nam tak jongki bagi jika part juga kalau ba kumbalau mane ngini train kan kita men terkat dengan juga tabasnong dengan jipa barang sesnong dengan juga office baru di kontraktor dan lagi train kan ngela berpedam hakapor kepala bu kita kalau jika part juga ba ngini train kan nam dengan kam marba kadai nam tak bet kapiang jong pe barang sesnong jong sesnong hi borok away di.
This is for the benefit of your locality, of this Lawsohtun locality. So I like to request your cooperation when we start the work, so that we can complete these projects in time. We are given 1.5 year to the contractors to complete this project, and we hope with the cooperation from every one of you, we'll be able to complete this project in due course. So with these few words, I'd like to thank you once again, the members of the Rangasnong of the Lawsohtun, as well as our Honorable Minister, who has asked me to be with you all on this auspicious day. And I'm very happy, and I wish and I pray that we're very thankful to our Honorable Minister for inviting me to be a part of this program. Otherwise, I would not have seen this Lawsohtun. This is my first visit to Lawsohtun. Of course, I got I don't know the exact location of the place where the meeting is going to happen. But anyway, we made it in time, and then I've seen this is a very new locality, but I think it's coming up nicely. Of course, I know that you are having issues with infrastructure. Especially in the rural, in the urban area, built-up area, we are having problem, especially in providing the proper road connectivity. Everybody wants a road connectivity, but again, the problem is with the land issue. So even if as government we want to help you out with the infrastructure, we face that problem. Because I know in a place like Shillong, land is very premium, so nobody wants to part with the land. But anyway, now, today, we are happy that our Honorable Minister, I think you must have already approached him regarding your needs and this regarding this the works which are required to be done by my department. As a chief engineer PWD in charge of the urban roads in Shillong, I'm speaking, Sir has asked our department to come up with some project proposals. So accordingly, we have prepared these two estimates, and we were very, very fortunate that these two estimates are sanctioned, namely construction of approach road from main road to Umjasai at Lawsohtun Block 5. The cost of the project is 1.54251 crore, 1.42 crore. I'll just make it simple. And here, the scope of works. We have got retaining walls and the drains and the CC pavement. Actually here, like what I told you earlier, we are constructing, we are doing the extension of the road within a limited space, available space. So it is the duty of the department to construct the walls to protect somebody's compound, and then mainly the drains, because we have to be careful that the water should not seep into somebody's house or somebody's compound. So we are providing the drains and the CC pavement wherever is required. This is one of the project, and then we are going to start the work very, very soon, because final work order work orders are already issued, and we'll be giving time of 1.5 years to the contractors, not a single contractor, contractors to complete the project. And the number two, another project, we are going to lay the foundation base today. It's for the improvement of road and drains at Lawsohtun Block 2, 5, and 6. Here, the cost of the sanction amount is rupees 1.08 crore, and the scope of work here is also construction of drains, B-shape or open drain, and the fencing walls and the metaling blacktopping. Here for this project also, we have already selected the contractors, and we are requesting the contractors to start the work probably by next week. So we are very, like what I said earlier, we are very fortunate that we are happy that our Honorable MLA, your representative, he has pursued the matter with the state government to get this project sanctioned, and accordingly, because of Sir's hard work and then pursuance with the government, these two projects, which are, I think right now it is very important for you, that got approved, and then accordingly the department also, we have taken the initiatives to start the work.